Okay, on arms straight. There you are. Knees up to your chest if you can. So we gotta get the skis in front of you. Okay, say hit it when you're ready.
It'll be about 9 o'clock tonight. Wow.
Oh, stop. Okay, well, we'll get you hanging there straight, and then when you're ready to, you say hit it when you're ready. We'll go ahead real slow, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, ready?
Might as well hit it, but I'm going to go down.
No, you aren't.
Look at you, you're doing it!
Stand up!
Yeah! Living life!
All right, straighten out your arms! Arms straight!
How's it feel? Yep.